Fishy, I've got fishy, guys. Now, I do want to talk to you about this place. Currently level 5, but the devs are planning on making it a 20 plus level. Now, I don't think they should ever have made it a level 5 area. I really don't. But if you are a level 5 and you come here before they change it, head over to KP Shimino's channel. His channel, he done a level 5 guide to catching fish here. So I suggest you head over and check his out. I was going to do one, but I'm not, because he's pretty much covered it. So just head over and check his out. This is no doubt nothing less than a trophy lake trout. It's a trout. Whether it be a trophy or a unique, I don't think it's a unique. Only a trophy. I was actually going to say a 9.8 trophy, but just by the way it hit. Yes, please. That was just my lovely wife asking me if I wanted coffee. But yeah, as I was saying, guys, this is currently a level 5 area, but they are changing it to a 20 plus. Now, whether it be level 20 or 21 or 23 or whatever, I don't know. I can't see them making it a 23 plus. Just because I've been told by a couple of people, I'm not gonna say who, that after these break, when they change everything back to normal fishing, there will be another 500 plus meg update for the game, because they're planning on releasing another area. Now, that area is said to be a 23 plus area if they release it. I don't know that they are or not. That's pretty much just a rumour on the grapevine. But, I mean, what's your thoughts? You know, should they leave it a level 5? Or make it, you know, a 20 plus? My theory is it should never have been a level 5. It should never have been a level 5 area to begin with. Simply because the really good XP fish here need a higher level gear, or need higher level gear to catch them rather. So yeah, my personal opinion, guys, is hurry up and make it 20 plus. Whether it be 20, 21, 22 or 23 or whatever, I don't know. Just don't make it a 23. But I think 21 would be good. But just because we've already got Michigan for a level 20. Further. Same thing I'm doing now, dude. Now, oh shit, that was close. Went one too many. But yeah, hurry up and make it a level 21. I think level 21 would be good, because like I said, we've already got Michigan for level 20. So we need something after that, because we've got a level 20 area and we've got 28 levels of gear. Like, we need other areas, guys. We really do. But you might not agree, so...
Where's the camera?
Don't have the cam going. Camera's behind me monitor somewhere. It fell down yesterday. But yeah, she's just asking me why I haven't got my cam going. But yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you think they should leave it at level 5 or make it 21, because we have Michigan for 20 and we need other levels thereafter. I'll fucking what the hell, this has got to be, I reckon, a 9 point, I'll say a 9.8 Trophy Lake. It's definitely not a uni. Ah, fuck, I just hit me knee. Oh, can't. Right on my desk too. That's gonna hurt. I reckon she's a 9.8. If it's a 9.7, I'm gonna be pissed. There's no way that's a uni. Came in way too easy. Ah, fucking 11.5. Holy crap, that came in easy for that. Shit. So yeah, leave a comment down below, guys, and tell me if you think they should make this a level 21. Or leave it a level 5. Or if you have any other ideas for levels, let me know. And post it in the comments down below, guys. So thanks for watching and whatnot, and I hope you enjoy this. I mean, it's not really a guide, this is just more of a vlog, me asking for your opinion before the upcoming update. So yeah, peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I appreciate the support.